Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So this video is about Instagram application and the new features of Instagram application. If you want to play a game with Instagram, it's really possible to do. Why? Because Instagram also give you a features that you can use for creating a game. So this is the first game that you can play with Instagram. Open your Instagram application and just need to slide your home screen. You just need to make sure that you're staying in the home page or home section. Now just need to slide your screen into the right side to access the Instagram camera, and right after that you just need to go pick the picture, or you can also add the picture from your photo library. It's just as the base of the picture. So here, if you want to create the game, go click this button, and there will be a lot of options that you can use. You can even create a quiz. So you just need to type the questions, and then you just need to type the answer. Okay, and now you just need to pick the correct answer. You just need to pick the A if the correct answer is A, and then you just need to go click done. And you can just place these stickers into the specific part that you want to place them. And you're done. You just need to upload it into your story and wait until your follower answer your questions here. That is the games that you can explore. There will be also another games that you can use. Just do the same. Open the Instagram story, go take a picture, and you just need to click the same button, and then you just need to choose another, which is the poll sections. Here, so it's also the same, but then the difference is just there will be two options, and there will be have a percentage on it, so you can just know and screening who answering right and who answering wrong. So let's say here is a question, and here is the options like A and B, and after that you just need to go click done, and you just need to wait. You just need to pause and wait until your follower answering. So whenever you click one of them, there will be given percentage, so you can just know who will answer it right and who will answer it wrong. So that's the way, guys, how to create a game on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let you see you for the next tutorial.